This is the last episode of the season, so let's build something real and then actually ship it. We're making a little command line notes tool. It stores notes in a database, marks them done, exports them as JSON, and when it works, we're going to turn it into a single binary you can hand to somebody who's never heard of Kaappi. Empty folder, and the two packages we need, the database from episode 6 and JSON from episode 4. First, the arguments. There's one wrinkle worth knowing. While you're developing, you run copy notes.scm add something, so the first argument is the file name. Once it's a binary, that file name isn't there anymore, so we write a tiny helper that strips it if it sees it, and now the rest of the program doesn't have to care which way it's being run. Every command needs the database, so we wrap that up once. With DB opens it, makes sure the table exists. If not exists, so the first run creates it, and later runs don't care. Then hands the connection to whatever we want to do. That's the same call with pattern we've used all season. Then the commands, and there's nothing new in any of them. Add is an insert with a placeholder. List is a query, and because rows come back as vectors, we pull the columns out by index and print a little checkbox. Done is an update. 3 small functions, each one using exactly what we learned in the SQLite episode. And export is the one that makes me happy. Take the rows, map each vector into an A-list, hand the whole thing to JSON write string. Database rows out as JSON, and the conversion is a single map. Exactly the move from the structured data episode. Last piece. Look at the first argument and pick a command. A cond, the same one from Season 1, Episode 2. No argument parsing library, no framework. It's a list, and we're looking at the front of it. And it works. Add a couple of notes, list them, mark one done, there's the checkbox, and export the whole thing as JSON. A real little tool, about 60 lines. It even passes Kaappi's static check. Clean. Now we ship it. This bundles our program into the Kaappi runtime and produces one executable, about 2.8 megabytes, a genuine native ARM64 binary. Rename it, notes, and run it. Same tool, no Kaappi in front. And here's the real test. I'll wipe Kaappi out of the path entirely, so the interpreter may as well not be installed, and it still runs. That's a single file you can hand to someone. No runtime to install, no dependencies to chase. Just a program. And that's the season. We started with fibers and threads, went out to files, the command line, JSON, the network, and a database. And just now we took all of it and turned it into a single program you can give to another person. That's the whole arc. Scheme that runs on the metal. Thanks for watching. The code from every episode is linked below. And if you build something with Kaappi, I'd love to see it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Kaappi.